So, kape-kape tayo muna mga kaibigan. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Marami ho tayong matutunan kahit saglitan lang ho tayo dito. No, just to talk briefly mga kaibigan in the history. So, we do not like to touch everything. But I am stick to the one when I answering the questions. No, mga kaibigan. Ito first, the history. The history of the Philippines, mga kaibigan. So, it is the people, it is a person which is the most hated person in the history here in the Philippines. Did you know Dean Conant Wells' sister, mga kaibigan? Which is the most hated person in the history here in the country. Because this person, mga kaibigan, was racist to the business in our own resources here in the country in order to be to become a wealthiest man of the world. Not that time, but right now itself, mga kaibigan. So then Conant Wells' sister, mga kaibigan, is the one who established the ferry, yung pasaheroan from like for example right now from to Samal, ganon, no? No other than to establish with that but the then Conant Wells' sister, and also one who established for the Copra Manufacturing Company, which is yung oil, mga kaibigan. Siya po yung nag-uuna dyan. And also divided to the province of Bukidnon, no? And they are racist for the cattle, ranso, no? Nagraranso, mga kaibigan, if you know that, mga kaibigan. He is an American, if I'm not mistaken. It is a graduate from Michigan, University of Michigan. So these types of abuser here in the country, mga kaibigan, and the most hated on that history. I do not like to touch more history. It is a brief history of this person. And this person, mga kaibigan, was to establish a business, and it becomes most powerful because he is a wealthiest man of that time, mga kaibigan, during the American colonizer here in the country. So that's why when our good people to promote independence of this country, then Conant Wells' sister, mga kaibigan, the one who intervened with that. So when the time Dean Conant Wells' sister died at the age of 57, and then all the businesses here in the country, mga kaibigan, was manned by the two children. And the two children, they could not to man easily, or he is difficult to manage their businesses, and he returned, including his sister, to America. And all the businesses and the plantations here in the country was returned to the Philippine government that time, mga kaibigan, if you know that history. So that is all the history here in the country. How the colonizer, so that's why I hate those people white, mga kaibigan. So that's why you can understand how to abuse, kung paano tayo minamaltrato ng mga gagong ito, no? Yan ho, mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat. So he returned to the place where they born in America, and he returned it. No? So that's why nagkakaroon na ho tayo ng ano po, mga kaibigan, independent. But we are under Americans pa rin until now. Did you know? Until now.